little artists. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and useful on rainy days. It's a cute umbrella with a big happy smile. So grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's begin by drawing a big half circle. This is the top part of our umbrella. Now let's close it up with some small bumpy half circles, like little hills. Great job! Now draw a straight line going down from the middle, then curl it up like a hook. That's the handle. Now let's draw some curved lines from the top to the bottom of the umbrella, like slices of a pizza. Yum! Let's make it look rainy. Draw a few raindrops falling from the sky. Splash, splash. Time to give our umbrella a little personality. Draw two cute eyes and a big happy smile. It's already looking adorable. Now let's go over our lines again to make them bold and sharp. It's time to make it colorful. Yay! Let's take our pens and say the colors out loud together. Yellow color. Wow! Pink color. Cream color. Orange color. Red color. Purple color. Green color. Blue color. You did it, little artist! Our cute umbrella drawing is finished and it looks amazing. Don't forget to show your drawing to someone you love and tell them you made it yourself. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.